everyone, welcome back to Bog's Kitchenette channel, and today's video we're going to make shredded cucumber salad. We need here of course our cucumber. So we're going to grate our cucumber just like this, or we're going to slice it thinly just like this, and there you go. So we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. We're going to mix it and then set aside for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, you can see an excess water. So we're going to pour away that. And we're going to add our minced garlic, our chilies. If you don't like chilies, just disregard it. Add sesame seeds. And we're going to add our sizzling oil here. I used olive oil. I add light soy sauce, a teaspoon of it, and vinegar. White vinegar or black vinegar will do. I add some sugar to balance the taste. Mix it well. And I add a teaspoon of sesame oil. And mix it again. And done. And serve. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like our recipe for today. Bye.